When I read this comment, my face don't even wash it, but we can't do anything else but sing. Thank you, Lord, for saving my soul. Thank you, Lord, for making me whole. This person said, she's not a follower. I guess she just saw a blog. Because if she was a follower, she would have known that I was so gravely ill in Canada with my spine, with my lower back, that I almost got crippled. I had to walk away, leave my job. Couldn't even shower myself. Couldn't take care of myself. Can't open my mouth to eat. My entire nervous system like it gash fire. And we had to just make the bold move and just pack up our things and come home. Because we can't work. I can't work. Chris have to be taking care of me. And that's what has been happening for the last 7 months. My back injury is so bad, so till for nights we have to catch up in the pillow. One night it was so bad that I asked Chris to call 911 to go to the emergency. But then when I think of Canada Hospital and the way how they love to do surgery, we bear it. We go through the struggling. We go through the suffering. We have never gone public with it. We only go public with it over the last 2 weeks that I make it video with the pain. And this Nikompu is saying that I am talking about the pain now. I'm talking about my pinched nerve. After I spent $4 million, I went to Canada to study and have to walk away, left everything that I earned because of illness. This lady is saying it's because I want free money in Jamaica. Do you know that Canada have free? When you're injured, Canada responsible for you? Do you know that? Free money is not in Jamaica. Free money is in Canada. When you're sick, the Canadian government responsible for you. You never know that. Jamaica don't have no money. And Canada the money there. But you know what? I have to take everything into consideration. The food, the high rent, the care. And I don't want to stay in Canada and get further ill. So you know something? I come to my yard. What are you talking about free money? Jamaica don't have free money. It look like you drop out of Jamal early, man. You can't go back to Jamal and get little education much, man. You can't just step on social media and talk foolish with stuff. That's not right.